Jai Shri Mataji. Welcome to Sahaj Krishi Prakalp Implementation Program in India 2012. Let us first understand why we are taking up this project. Her Holiness Shri Mataji Nirmala Devi once indicated that Sahaj Yoga could very well benefit agricultural production, thereby helping the large farming community in India, mostly spread in villages. It would also help the poor, needy farmers in raising their agricultural production, economic condition, and thereby convincing them of the beneficial effects of Sahaj Yoga. This would lead them to adopt Sahaj Yoga and help them to achieve their spiritual ascent along with the gain in agriculture production. On this background, let us now go ahead with the actual process of implementing this program. Please never forget that all these trials are being conducted under the divine blessings of Her Holiness Shri Mataji Nirmala Devi, which is the real source of success. Please follow the steps explained hereafter. This photo explains how the divine vibrations have produced such big-sized sunflowers at Pratishthan, Pune. On this basis only, we have to conduct Sahaj Krishi experiments. These experiments have been divided into three categories as follows: agronomic experiments, horticultural experiments, animal science experiments. Let us now see how each of these experiments are to be conducted scientifically. Agronomic experiments. Farmer has to decide on which crop he or she desires to conduct experiment. Select an appropriate plot for the same. The plot size should be minimum 5 gunthas per treatment, that is, vibrated crop E and non-vibrated crop C. Soil type, fertility level, slope, etc. should be almost similar for both treatments. Apply manure, fertilizers equally to both the plots and at the same time keep these plots ready for sowing. Vibrating seeds or planting material. While vibrating seeds, water, fertilizers, sets, etc., please follow this procedure. Prepare altar of Her Holiness Shri Mataji with rose water, putting her well-cleaned photo with kumkum and a lamp or candle lighted in front. Take seeds sufficient in quantity for the experimental plot and divide the same into 2 equal lots, E and C. For example, if the plot requires 6 kg seed, divide it into 3 kg lots. From the lot E, that is experimental, take about half to 1 kg seed in a container except plastic and place it in front of Her Holiness Shri Mataji's lotus feet. Invite all Sahaj Yogis from farmer's house or neighboring houses and sit calm and quietly in front. Raise Kundalini, put bandhans collectively and go into meditation after chanting 3 Mahamantras for a while. After getting a thoughtless state, pray collectively saying, Her Holiness Shri Mataji, we are preparing to conduct Sahaj Krishi experiment under your divine blessings. We have placed under your lotus feet the seeds of concerned crop. We pray heartily that the seed may kindly be vibrated with your divine love and the experiment be completed under your divine blessings. Thereafter, collectively chant 4 times the Sri Ganesh Atharva Shirsha and at the end pray the following mantra, Shri Shakambari Sakshat. Keep the seed placed in front of Her Holiness Shri Mataji's photo overnight and remove thereafter. Mix this vibrated seed lot into the main seed lot for E and then use it for sowing the E plot. Germination test. Conduct this test as explained. Take 2 earthen pots filled with soil. If such pots are not available, we may use perforated trays filled with soil. Take 100 seeds each from the E and C lots. Dibble these 100 seeds in rows in the pots E and C. Cover the seeds with soil gently. Sprinkle water in both the pots. Keep them for germination of the seeds. After about 7 to 10 days, according to the crop character, the seeds will germinate both in E and C pots. After full germination period, count the seedlings germinated in both the pots and record observations. For example, if in one pot out of 100 seeds, 80 have sprouted, it is 80% germination and so on. On the onset of monsoon and when the conditions are appropriate for sowing the crop, Sow the vibrated and non-vibrated seeds in the respective plots on the same day, adopting the same method. Vibrate the seeds 8 days before sowing. After the complete germination in the field, record eye observations on overall germination in both the plots. Note: while recording any observations in the experiments, please take 2 non-Sahaj Yogi persons with you in order to eliminate the doubt of biasness. Record observations on plant height, spread, tillering, etc. as shown in the video at 30, 60, 90 days as per observation sheet. Select at random 10 plants each from E and C plots for recording all the observations. Tag them properly. Meanwhile, also record by eye observation the occurrence of pests and diseases on the crop. Flower crops. Observations to be recorded: plant height, number of primary branches, plant spread, number of flowers per plant, flower diameter, number of days for first bud emergence, yield per plot in kilograms. For food grains, after maturity, that is around 90 to 100 days after sowing, take measurements of the ear heads on standing crop as shown in the video. On complete maturity, harvest the crop both in E and C plots, keeping the ear heads separately. Thresh them and record the yield for both the plots. Work out per acre and per hectare yield. 1 hectare is equal to 2.5 acres. Take 100 seeds from E and C plots and record their weights. Take the photographs of the final product, that is ear heads, flowers, fruits, etc. from both the treatments E and C for comparison. Horticultural experiments. All the principles and practices as explained for the agronomic experiments apply to the horticultural experiments also. Hence, they are not repeated here. If a farmer chooses to do experiments on his already existing fruit orchard, he has to ensure that the trees are of the same variety, planted in the same year, the entire orchard is given the similar cultural practices. If the above conditions are fulfilled, he can select 14 fruit trees for E and C treatments at random. Tag the selected trees for identification. Conduct Sahaj experiments on these trees, preferably on vibrated water or vibrated manure or fertilizer, vibrated pesticides, etc. 1 vessel, 500 ml of vibrated water should be applied at the root zone of each plant in each treatment at the time of irrigation. Recording of observations, precautions in conduct of experiments, etc. all remain the same as explained earlier. The final fruit size, diameter, individual fruit weight, grams or kilogram, color, bright or dull, and TSS, total soluble sugar, should be measured for both E and C plots on complete maturity. 5 fruits from each plant should be selected for observations. TSS, which is an indication of the sugar percent, is measured with an instrument called refractometer. Animal science experiments. Experiments on small animals such as kids, goat, lamb, sheep, rabbits, poultry birds, emu, etc. could be conducted under this category. This is because usually the farmers do not have animals such as cows, buffaloes, etc. in large numbers for conducting such an experiment. As far as possible, the experiments on vibrated feed water could be tried. The procedure of vibrating feed, water, etc. is exactly the same as explained earlier. Under this trial, farmer has to select 14 animals or birds, each for E and C treatments. These animals or birds should be of the same breed and should be almost of the same age, initial weight, etc. Record initial body weight of individual animal or bird before starting the experiment. Decide date of starting the experiment and start feeding vibrated feed or water to the respective groups. For the first 10 days, do not record observations on weight, etc. as this is the pre-experimental period. After 10 days, start recording the weights of individual animal or bird for both E and C groups at weekly intervals. Continue the trial for 56 days, that is 8 weeks. After 56 days, exchange the birds and animals from E and C groups in a crisscross manner. That is, animals or birds from E be given feeding or watering treatment of C and vice versa. With this crossing over, continue the experiment for another 56 days on similar line. Housing, watering, managemental care, medicines, healthcare, etc. should be exactly similar for both the groups. At the end of each trial of 56 days, record final weights of individual animal or bird and calculate weight gain. Final weight minus initial weight is equal to weight gained. Weight gained can be used for comparison. Record the measurements and weights of the animals as demonstrated. Also take photographs of the experimental animals and birds. We wish all Sahaj Yogi brothers good luck in conducting the Sahaj Krishi experiments. Jai Shri Mataji.